let's make some Cool Whip cookies.
Let's see what's cooking. Let's get the facts. Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone. These cookies are as simple as they can be. All you need is one package of cake mix, whatever flavor you want. I'm using lemon. Add to that one large egg and then an 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip. Now, you don't have to measure it like I'm doing here. I had a 1 liter tub of Cool Whip because that's what we have in Canada. I wasn't sure if that was equivalent to the 8-ounce tubs in the US. I wasn't sure if they were bigger or smaller. And when I Googled it, the internet said that 8 ounces of Cool Whip was about 3 cups. So I just wanted to see if it was the equivalent, and it was. So whether you're Canadian or American, put 1 tub of Cool Whip in the bowl and just blend it together. You can use a wooden spoon or an electric mixer to blend that together. Just make sure it's thoroughly blended. And look how it's climbing up the beaters. It was kind of a really weird thing it was doing in that bowl. It's going to be a very soft and sticky cookie dough, but that's okay. You'll take scoops of it either with a spoon, a heaping tablespoon, or in this case I'm using a cookie scoop, or you could use an ice cream scoop. And then you're going to drop that into a bowl of powdered sugar, or also called icing sugar, and just toss it around until it's coated, and then it'll be easy to pick up. Your fingers won't stick to it, and put it on a cookie sheet. And for whatever reason, I decided to plunk my bowl right in front of what I was doing, so you can't see it. It amazes me after 20 years I still manage to make these mistakes when I'm making videos. Here it is kind of off to the side. You're going to take the cookie scoop, plunk a portion of it into the bowl with the powdered sugar, and then just toss it around a little bit and make a total mess on your countertop, and then put it on a cookie sheet. Leave a couple of inches in between because they're going to spread. Bake them at 350 until they are lightly browned on the edges and on top. And as you can see, when they come out of the oven, they have this lovely crackling texture to them with that powdered sugar. They're kind of a chewy cookie. The edges are a little bit crispy. The center is kind of chewy, and they kind of have a little bit of a cake-like texture. They are so easy and really delicious. So I hope you give these a try. I have another recipe on my channel that uses Cool Whip, and it is this Cool Whip candy, which is also pretty awesome. So if you want to see this recipe, go ahead and click on your screen. And thank you so much for watching.